Hi guys, I'm Aiden and today we're doing the Exploding Volcano experiment. So what you need, some food colouring, baking powder, vinegar and dish soap. First we're going to get our baking powder, open it, and put the baking soda inside the hole of our volcano. Just like that. Put this soap in. Just like that. Then with a spoon, you mix it all up. Now for the fun part. You just have to put all of this in there with the baking powder in, and then it'll explode. Hopefully. If you didn't use the right ingredients, it would probably not explode. Like if you used water instead of vinegar.
Wow, look at that. Amazing. The volcano is erupting, isn't it, Aiden?
Yeah. And that's how you make a volcano.
I love that. How exciting. It's still going. Look at that.
Yes.
Brilliant. Should we see if Aaliyah and Louie liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's call them in.
Come on, guys.
Want to introduce everybody?
This is Louie, Aliyah, my sister. So, did you guys like the exploding volcano experiment? Yeah, it was really cool. How about you, Louie?
Did you like it, Louie? Yeah, he liked it.
Yes. And we have a cat somewhere.
She's run off, hasn't
Oh,
she?
no, she's there.
Yeah, she's there.